Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And what we're going to take a look at in this video is a huge gwn.cloud and gwn manager update. So if you use gwn.cloud or gwn manager to manage your Grandstream access points, routers, and switches, there's been a lot of changes, and Grandstream is all over this. And let's take a look at a few of the things here. So first of all, to get a gwn.cloud account, you just go to gwn.cloud. You can create an account. They support MFA. You can do multi-site. It's fantastic. It's also free. They don't charge you. I don't know if that will change in the future or not. Regardless, right now it's free. Then if you go over to Grandstream and you go to support and tools and you scroll down, you're going to see gwn manager. And what that is, if you're not familiar, is Grandstream takes gwn.cloud and packages it up and makes it available for us to run on our own servers. Now, at first, it was just set up for CentOS. I had it running on Fedora, but now, check this out. They have an Alma Linux 9 release, a CentOS 7 release, and an Ubuntu release. They also provide virtual machines in the open virtualization format, OVA. So now they support Ubuntu. I suppose you could probably get it to run on Debian, straight Debian. I haven't tried yet. So let's take a look at the release notes and see some of the new things that were released. This was released just a few days ago. So you can set a primary network now when you log in for the manager. You can now retrieve guest information via the API. So gwn manager and gwn cloud do have an API. I don't know if you can get to it on gwn.cloud, but you can definitely get to the API on gwn manager. And so they're updating, and this whole, controller, single pane of glass, SDN, they are adding enhancements, but other, softwares may already have this, but they are rapidly catching up. Display the Wi-Fi version used in the client information. You can customize the channel in the 2.4 gig band. You can disable router LAN ports. Push configuration to the device, including manual and automatic. And that's the other thing about Grandstream devices, is they don't have to be joined to gwn cloud or gwn manager. They're fully featured standalone. And Grandstream's goal is to expose every configuration feature inside a gwn manager, every feature. So it'll be interesting to see where it goes with the layer 3 switches. We've got the ability to configure the router switch device passwords, so accessing the device remotely. Single or batch or single configuration for device passwords. Ability to highlight mesh devices and network topology. So they do have a full network topology. And you can see all of these things that they've added. Added floor plan management features, support device RF heat map preview. Convenient device placement and planning. So they now have predictive mapping in gwn cloud and gwn manager. Added multiple VPN tunneling methods, so they support on their routers PPTP, IPsec, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. They added, you can just see all of these new things or new enhancements. Now, here is the new feature overview. So here you can see we've got a picture of this predictive mapping, and it looks like we've got different floors going on here. So we're going to be using this extensively. Thank you, Grandstream. And now you've got the topology, and it looks like you can actually filter your topology based on VLAN. So because maybe not all VLANs go to all ports and go to all switches, so that's pretty cool. Here's what they're talking about with the device password, account security. So you can now make custom logout times. That's pretty cool. change their router LAN ports. I like that they gave us the screenshots of what they made for the changes here. So check it out. If you are on gwn.cloud, these, you would have gotten an email talking about that maintenance window a couple weeks ago. And these changes were pushed to GWN Cloud, and then they were pushed to GWN Manager. And if you're on GWN Manager and you're on an old version, make sure you get a backup. You can do an in-place upgrade. You can do a full install. So we will be doing a full install and joining our equipment to GWN Manager. If you've got specific things that you want to see, let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, please comment, share. Please follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links and a Patreon link if you'd like to support the channel. And if you need IT consulting, if you want to get all your Grandstream gear shored up, you want to set up your own controller, if you need voice over IP, Wi-Fi, security, all those good things, go on over to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form that's on the front page, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.